Hey guys, Lena here. Today I want to show you how I go ahead and make this really simple, cute wreath from items that I found in my own backyard as well as a local craft store. So this year I decided I'm going to be gifting my parents something a little more special considering 2020, right? And I thought something that I made would be really sentimental to them. And considering they can't go to too many places because they are older, I thought maybe a Christmas wreath would be nice. So if you want to know how I did it, keep watching. So a few of the things I utilized to make this wreath were right in my backyard and then at my local craft store. The items I used from my backyard were the evergreens, and I have a whole row of green giant arborvitaes in my yard, so I just went outside and I took a few stems of those. I also have a ton of winter gem boxwoods in my front yard, and I took a few stems off of those. And the reason why I used the winter gem boxwoods in my front yard instead of the winter green boxwoods in my backyard is because winter gem boxwoods actually bronze a little bit when it gets colder out, and I like the color variation with that. So used those. And then I had this stem lying around with just these artificial berries that I utilized to just give it a pop of color. And it was really easy. The frame itself is from the local craft store as well as the snowflake. They're both from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is not sponsoring this video, just have to mention that. And otherwise, I think it turned out really nicely. For my first wreath, I'm not mad at it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm Lena, and this is Life on Green Acres. See you in the next one. Bye.